Yo, chosen ones, I just came to the realization that this world does not deserve us. Like, yo, this world does not deserve the unconditional loving that our heart has to offer. Why you say that, Scene Ashley? I'll tell you why I say that right now. This world does not deserve the unconditional love that our heart has to offer due to the simple fact that this conditional loving world cannot accept an unconditional loving heart. I said it. And you know what? I'm not going to sit here and let things get any worse than it is. You get what I'm saying? This is evident and obvious by now by the way they treat us, the unlimited amounts of rejection that we had to go through. Unlimited. Literally the way, like I said, with the way that we're treated, the way that it seems like the whole system literally is against us. Man, I feel like anything technological, technological, that's the word, right? Anything technological, I don't even think that's the word. It's gonna freaking bother me now. Anything technological, I feel like right now is just straight glitching for me. Like, yo, anything, bruh. Like, yo, my paycheck's been messed up. My direct deposits, freaking, I can't get links in my email. Like, yo, hold up, bruh, hold up. I'm not into astrology like that, but is there some type of retrograde or something going on? Like, yo, come on, man. What's going on, bruh? You know what I'm saying? And it's obvious. It's like, it makes it more than obvious in my story that it's definitely, yo, it's like something's working against me. Like, I don't get it. Well, it's cool. It's like agents of the system, I guess. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm over here trying to, make people's day better. And that's the one thing this system doesn't want you doing, chosen ones. And I noticed it. I noticed it. What they don't want us doing, Scene Ashley? Tell us right now. I'll tell you right now. They don't want us smiling. Oh, what type of crap? Yo, they do not want us to smile out here in this world. Like, yo, for real facts. It's facts. It's facts, bro. Sometimes when I'm smiling, bro, sometimes I feel like I'm doing something wrong. Sometimes I feel like, oh, don't get too happy. Oh, for real. And it's like, yeah, I'm not supposed to live like that. Come on, man. But chosen ones, I don't know. I guess this is the life we signed up for. You know, I know it is for a reason, because I know that my pain, I seen it with my own eyes. I know that my pain and my struggles just brought through words and brought to reality has made somebody's day a whole lot better. Just my stories made somebody laugh their ass off, man. You know what I'm saying? Made somebody feel good. So, you know, I know that there's a good thing that comes out of pain. So, yeah, it's obvious and evident that it seems like things are working against us. I mean, sometimes, you know, sometimes things is working in our favor. It seems like, but guess what? How do we feel about it? It always feels like we're waiting for the other shoe to drop, right? It's like, yo, we're so used to rejection and failures and things not going right for us that when something happens that's good, yo, we're literally waiting for the other shoe to drop. Like, oh yeah, we know there's a catch-22 with this. We know that there's something around the corner that's gonna turn our happy into a frown. You get what I'm saying? Like, our frowns becomes happy smiles not too often. You get what I'm saying? Like, don't get me wrong. We're happy, and you know, we're fulfilled. But at the same time, yo, we look around and see how everybody's normal lives are going, and it's like, you start to wonder, is the game rigged against me? And yes, chosen ones, the game is rigged against you. And you know why? I'll tell you why right now. Look at the way they cheated Jesus Christ. And not for nothing. Just, you know, not for nothing. You know the type of VIP, that's some VIP. Like, if you got the system after you, and they ain't take you out, you still got breath in your lungs, that means that, there's a mission for you out here, man. So get on it and complete it. All right? I guess just listen, carry on, Chosens.